This is a short descriptive video of a Copal flip alarm clock on a pedestal for a change, the model RP233 233. Yeah, what can I say? It's on a pedestal. You can sort of swivel it, put it down, put it up again. Well, you cannot see at the moment, but it's working. The light has been replaced, brand new. Yeah, so the motor has been lubed. The motor is here on the back, so you can't see it. Oops, there we go. You can't really see it. Let's turn on the alarm. It's sort of subdued. I mean, it will wake you up, but it won't set you straight up in bed. Just wait for the minutes to flap so you can actually see it's working. Let me see. A couple of seconds, I guess. Yeah, there she goes. Turn around. Here you set the alarm. Here you set the hours. Let me just grab a quick shot of the label. Here we go. That's it. Thank you for watching.